I put bird's feeder to my balcony. And here they are, my little ones. Oh my God, they fight for the space. They spill food to the floor. Look, smaller birds are on a bird feeder. Other type of birds, I don't know the name, just bigger, they are on the floor. And what she's doing on a table? Hey, don't poo there. Yeah, it's time to encourage kids to prepare birds' feeders and to put in a park, on your yard, everywhere. On summertime, I have colibris coming to the flowers and to drink this juice. And by the way, chrysanthemums are blooming. It's about +3 outside, and this is very winter chrysanthema. It's November 29 today. And by the way, this rose I grow from a stick, and that rose hidden under plastic, also alive, so it will be for the next year. I guess they are not afraid anymore of me. And I'm happy that they eat. I save a lot of grains and different type of food for them. Because they are hungry after the rain. They couldn't fly, now they are eating. Okay, I'm making this video for my grandchildren, of course.